As Bongo begins to play, the jungle transforms into a dance floor, alive with music. Tiko dances wildly, Kiki flaps her wings in time, and Zara bobs her head, each lost in the joy of the music. Bongo's drumming accelerates as the sky echoes his rhythm. The clouds dance with Bongo, but the heavens erupt, and the jungle becomes a vortex of wind and rain. Amidst the chaos, Tiko cries out, "What have you done?" Bongo, led by a procession of animals, approaches the mist-shrouded Rainmaker's grotto. Inside the grotto, the Rainmaker, an ancient tortoise, sits in meditation. Moss covers his shell. The Rainmaker opens his eyes, displeasure evident at Bongo's arrival. Bongo speaks, "I understand that my drumming has caused disruption, and I am here to make amends." Bongo continues, "I didn't understand the true power of my music, but I do now." Amidst the fading storm, Bongo carefully plays a softer rhythm on his drum, guided by the Rainmaker. Golden rays pierce through the dissipating clouds as the jungle's inhabitants watch in anticipation. The Rainmaker nods slowly, approving the return of peace to the jungle. In the heart of the jungle clearing, Bongo leads a vibrant musical session, his drumming now a source of harmony and joy. Tiko, Kiki, and Zara unite in a beautiful melody, their voices blending seamlessly, filling the jungle with enchanting sounds. Bongo's heart swells with understanding as he realizes the true power of music to bring balance and unity to the jungle.